It sounds a bit more traditional than the sort of the heavy stuff you had on last.
Oh, it's a little bit, yeah.
My son-in-law was thinking last week, do you really like this music? I said, they don't normally play this sort of, it was a bit more headbanging you had on there last week.
Yeah, it was a bit more rocky one, I have to admit, yeah.
It was a bit more, but today I can hear that lovely guitar and beautiful, sounds more traditional.
Yeah, it
Lovely
is, yeah.
music.
Yeah.
So, but no, thank you so much. Like, they did enjoy my son-in-law and my daughter last week.
It's our pleasure.
A blessed New Year, and thank you for the music, and thanks for the program.
Thank you so much, Liz, and we so much appreciate listening in every week as well.
And I do hope you find your lifetime as a non.
Yeah. Right. Well, I think we are working on it at the moment. Yeah, we are working on it at the moment. I know one of our other listeners sent through a photo of his cousin that lives overseas that we may need to try to set Josip up with.
Oh, that's a good way to advertise. I do hope it all comes your way this year.
So I think so. I think so with all his family as well.
You've got all the Balkan Hills probably looking out for you now. So watch out.
Aren't I lucky?
Yeah.
Oh, no, all the best for you, and a blessed New Year to you all.
You too, Elizabeth. Thank you so much.
Okay. All right.
Take care.
Again. Okay.
See you later. Bye bye.